is so...
Louder, please.
This is like, for me, a social experiment, because if a Filipino did what we are doing today, I think it would be a lot more comfortable for the people that I'm going to go up to and ask. So basically today, it's rose or chocolate?
Yeah, it's a chocolate.
Where's the chocolate? Rose or chocolate? Now if they pick chocolate, there's money on the chocolate. If they pick a rose, there's more money, right? Now you know Filipinas like the chocolate.
Me, I like chocolate.
So let's see what they pick.
So how about to Tinisel? We can go there. Uy,
Hey, this
we
one?
can go to Tinisel.
Oh, that black girl.
It's there, yeah.
Right, and then we start again here.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Let's go. So this is where Lacelle is, the blind girl. We're going to surprise her. Let's hope everything goes okay, yeah? Oh, she's very Valentine-ish today.
Yeah.
So, Lacelle, be my Valentine for 1 minute.
Yes.
Oh, good. So, we can offer you
A chocolate.
as a gift, chocolate or a rose. Which would you like?
Rose. You want chocolate? Chocolate.
You want chocolate?
Yeah. No. No. You want the rose. You want the rose. She wants rose.
You want a rose? Right. Right. If you want a rose, you need to choose a rose. Mel will help you. Put your hand up to where the roses are. So the roses are here. You pick a rose. You want that rose?
Yeah,
You want that one?
And then
No, you don't. Are you sure you want that one? Which one does she want, Mom?
I think this one.
I think this one.
This one.
You want that one?
Yes. You pull na.
Wow, you want that one? Pull it out.
Pull mo na.
Pull it out. What's in it?
Yes.
Whoa, that's cheating.
It's not cheating. I
That's
just guide her.
cheating.
I just guide her. It's
Oh
not
my
cheating.
God, that's outrageous.
I will
Happy
take a
Valentine's
I will
Day.
take a
Lacelle.
picture. Picture lang.
Yeah.
For remembrance.
Ano Lizelle? Ano yan? Flowers saka 500.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Picture lang dyan. Aras mo kayo. They said, why is only Lizelle? It's okay na. Thank you. Happy Valentine's. Oh.
I want to give you a gift.
Ano ka lang, magpipili ka lang ng isa, chocolate or
Chocolate or rose?
rose. Oh, you pick one. Dahan-dahan lang, Brit, pagputok mo. Because may something there.
Well done. Yes.
Pwede ka picture? Tingin mo. Pwede, ipayan mo i-iyan. Ayos na lang. Pindok mo na. Ako ang butong-butong. Pagpipili ka lang ng isa, yung chocolate or ano.
You want chocolate or rose? Chocolate or rose?
Magpili ka lang ng isa, chocolate or rose. Rose.
Oh.
Slowly lang.
Slowly. Good. Whoa, my God. Well done. Happy Valentine's.
Mag-subscribe ka.
Okay, you'll be on my channel.
Day na din.
It's a big channel, it's not small.
Uy, yung huwag na. Ano ka picture?
For 1 minute, I want to give you a gift.
Magpipili ka
flowers o chocolate? Ako mo? Yung ginawa. Chocolate or flower?
Chocolate.
Nagpipiling na kayo na babae.
Flower.
Flower.
Yung
Tama
fruit
mo
flower.
na maging Amerikano. Hindi tayo mabait.
Wow! Kaya picture.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Ayan yan, libre yan. Ayaw mo pa eh.
Can we take a photo? Will you be my Valentine for 1 minute? For 1 minute.
Magpili ka lang po ng kung anong gusto mo. Chocolate or rose?
Chocolate or rose?
Chocolate. Chocolate. You want
Chocolate?
Yes.
Really?
I love chocolate.
You don't like roses?
No.
Oh.
I have plenty of roses at home.
Chocolate it
Can I
is.
have your picture also?
Sure.
Picture ko baka manduwa.
Chocolate.
May 100 pesos pa po ini. Picture ko po ka manduwa.
Happy
It's cellphone.
Valentine.
Sige, sige. Souvenir. Ano ba ang face mask?
Sige po.
Pwede mo bang tobleron mo? With 100.
One more pa. You know what?
Okay. Will you be my Valentine for 1 minute?
Okay.
Okay. So it's either I got a gift for you, either flower or chocolate.
Then be wise. Be wise.
Now I know Filipinas like chocolate. So which would you like? Flowers or chocolate?
Flowers? Choose one, Dan.
One.
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Are you sure?
Ay, flowers na lang, flowers.
Flower. Okay, you choose one flower.
Slowly.
Slowly. Oh. Wait 1 minute. 1 minute. Good. Wow! Oh God! She cheated! Can we get a picture? For 1 minute? Just 1 minute lang. Yes? I want to give you a gift. Chocolate or rose?
You pick one.
You pick one.
Slowly lang.
Yay! You're a cheater!
Pwede picture. Picture.
Right guys, we have four roses left. You can see the problem with a foreigner, especially an old guy, approaching young ladies. They're very, very shy. It's a bit easier if you're a Filipino to do this kind of thing. The roses unfortunately are dropping to bits.
Yeah, look guys.
And the one with the most money on is this one.
Maybe nobody's picked that.
And nobody's going to pick that till there's nothing left, and even then they'd probably go for the chocolate. So I might be left with 500 pesos. Yeah.
See you later, guys.
We're going to look at the food court, see if there's anybody there. 1 minute. Yes, I want to
Just-
give you a gift.
Just choose one. Chocolate or flowers.
Choose what you want.
Pili ka ng isa, Ben. Pili ka ng isa. Isa lang. Bilangin mo.
No, you have to. Oh my God! Can we take a picture for the YouTube channel? Will you be my Valentine for 1 minute? I want to offer you a gift.
Chocolate or...
Can you put the mask down?
Can you choose?
Okay, can you take your mask off for a minute while we video? Thank you so much. So it's either chocolate or a rose. Which do you want? A rose, you choose what you want. Hey my God!
Very picture.
Is it okay to take a photo? Wow! Brit, it will come up.
Beautiful girls.
I want to give you a gift. Either a rose or chocolate. Which do you want?
Pili ka lang ng isa, chocolate or rose. Rose na lang. One's rose. Ay,
Anyone? Anyone you want? This is beautiful, this one. I like it. You are your contact?
Chocolate or rose? You want
Chocolate? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yay! Chocolate! Can we take a picture for the YouTube? Would you like a flower or chocolate? Flower? Way! You're welcome, happy Valentine. Can we have a picture of the channel? Right guys, it's constantly raining, but I guess it's still been a success. We're left with just one flower. Now this is a challenge, right? Because on the end of this flower is a 500 peso note. Now they're going to take this or they're going to take the chocolate. I'm guessing they'll take the chocolate. And we'll be stuck with, if we get rid of all the chocolate, then obviously we'll finish, we're done. Yeah. So let's see what happens if they take this or the chocolate. Will you be my Valentine for 1 minute, Clark? Yes, I want to give you a gift. Can you stand up? Can you take your mask off?
Pero ano pang mga masalang moment hindi ni Jowa mo?
Right, it's either a beautiful rose or some chocolate.
Magpili ka ng sarok.
It's your choice.
Chocolate.
It's your choice.
Ano po may sinayo na bumalik ko
Chocolate?
sa puso mo.
Okay.
Handa ka pa rin bang buksan
Thank you very
ang
much.
puso mo?
You have 100 there. Thank you po.
Yes.
If you choose this, you have 500.
Kayo ba, kapag iniwan na ba kayo ng
I would
mahal
say,
nyo,
take the
tapos
rose.
may pagkakataon na bumalik sa'yo, at nananatiling wala ka nang nararamdaman sa kanya, papayag kayo, hindi!
You can either have a beautiful rose or chocolate. Which do you want? A rose? Is it because it's so beautiful?
I don't like chocolate.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Take a
Happy
picture.
Valentine's. Can we take a picture?
Yes.
So guys, that's the end of the video. You've seen how hard it is for a foreigner to approach these girls. They're very shy and it's been very interesting.
It's success, guys. Even it's we're looking for.
Yeah, we've got rid of all the roses as you've just seen.
And I hope guys you enjoy the video what we're
Yeah.
doing. It's new right. And you can support us if you want something like this, guys. You can support us.
Yeah, if you want to see videos like this again, please support us on either Patreon or membership on YouTube, or you can send super chat or whatever, super thanks. So until the next time guys, it's over to my beautiful lady.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys. Thank you for our cameraman.
Yeah. Thank you to Dua, our cameraman. Thank you very here, here's Dua. He's our cameraman.